Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a Mandarin Orange pineapple cake. First of all, we're going to take some Joy and spray these pans. We got a little parchment paper we're putting in the bottom of them. Spray that a little too. This is going to be a 3-layer cake, and I got to do all 3 of them. So we're going to start out with a box of Duncan Hines classic yellow cake mix. We're going to dump all this in a bowl and mix it up. We got 1/2 cup, this is Crisco oil. 1/2 cup of sugar. 4 eggs. These are jumbo eggs. Jumbo eggs have gotten really expensive now, but I still use them. I like them. Okay, we're going to mix this up. $11 ounces. I'm not going to drain it. 11 ounces Mandarin Oranges. We'll try to equally divide this. Now, we're fixing to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to do the icing for the Mandarin Orange cake. We start out with draining, it's supposed to be 15 ounces, but we've got it, these cans are a little less, not much, 14.5 or something. Now, what we're going to do is drain this, but we're going to save that juice in case it's too thick. We might want to thin it down with that juice, so we'll save that. Now, we're going to dump this over in the bowl. The next thing we do, we use a package of vanilla instant pudding mix. And we're going to mix that up real good. Now, like I told you, if it gets too thick, you put a little of that pineapple juice in here. We're going to half one of these because we got to have 12 ounces. Well, I tell you, that saves you a lot of work when you make recipes has that our stuff already beaten up for you. I'm just going to divide that best I can. I think that's about it. Okay, all we have to do now is mix this and put it on the cake. And this is delicious. Okay, we have that mixed up now. We're ready to put it on our cake. Worried there for a minute before we messed up. The parchment paper protected us. Getting a little reckless here. I'm tasting everything today. Now that our Mandarin Orange pineapple cake is finished, I hope you try this and enjoy it. Our little flowers we put on it are made from sugar, and I think they're very pretty, because I'm not a cake decorator. Well, anyway, we like this cake, and I hope you'll like it too if you try it. But thanks a lot for watching. I had a large KitchenAid mixer that I made yeast spreads and stuff on. Well, it burned up. It's probably 40 years old. So I told my daughter one day I'd like to order a new one. She said, well, I've been wanting to give you something for Christmas. This is what I'll give you. It's a professional mixer and got all these attachments to it. It's got this big dough hook. I made a big batch of bread the other day. And I told her when she bought it, I said, I really appreciate it, but I said, I guess you know you're buying me a toy. She said, well, that's all right if you want a toy like that. But it's so big, it won't go under my cabinets. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I probably will take it back to the laundry room and store it. But I'm proud of it. I used it the other day to make bread, and it was wonderful. I sure enjoyed it.